Hey, what's going on? This is my first YouTube video. Decided to get on YouTube and start showing what I could do. I'm actually a machinist at heart, and this is my machine right here. I'll flip it around. Here you go. I got me a Haas. Yes, VF1 with a fourth. Yep, it's my very first Haas, and I'm starting to get this thing all set up. My very first machine, I went ahead and I used a stone to stone my bed, so I could start leveling it. This thing is not leveled. uh, Here's the leveling pads and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start leveling this machine to get it all set up to start making parts. So that's what it is. By the way, my name is Carlos. Like I said, I'm a machinist. I'm starting to, do YouTube videos. I know, right? It's pretty crazy.